About 90% of businesses report higher sales when animated videos are used to describe their products and services. This may be due to the fact that practically most customers regard explainer videos to be effective in understanding a product or service, because they deliver the message in an entertaining way. Using an animated video generates significant benefits to your brand, whether you place it at the top of your sales funnel, to target new leads, or at the bottom to simply retain and entertain current clients. Mindful of the many benefits animated videos can offer to your brand and sales process, we at 1F Media have just the right setup and offer for you. To make better use of animated videos in your marketing campaign, talk to us and we can help you identify the weak places in your sales funnel and create just the right animated video to boost your sales process. Our creation process requires you to only share your niche, available data, any assets of choice, and we do the rest, within the desired time frame that suits your needs. Don't pass up the opportunity to boost your brand and increase your sales.